Step 2 is to mount the wooden hood into the core of the press. The wooden hood has a P and an A marked on the ends, which correspond to the active side of the core, which has the shaft. The passive side has gears. To insert the hood, you first check to make sure that you've got the A on the active side, and then a slight angle, and with your thumbs on the hood itself, press outward because there's tension on the chain. Like that, you can press the hood down into the core. Then open your pack of set screws and the 3/32 Allen wrench. The set screw has two ends. One end takes the Allen wrench and the other goes into the wood. You can insert those with your thumb and finger, no problem. Be sure that you've got the correct end. Do that for both sides. And when it's too tight to use your thumb and finger for tightening, switch over to the 3/32 Allen wrench. You turn that screw until it's just inside the surface, maybe 1/8 of an inch inside the steel. Then you put on the brass barrel cap nuts. Just get them started. Then get the 1/8 inch Allen wrench. It's the Allen wrench that fits the brass barrel nuts. And that's the completion of attaching the hood to the core.